So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Business Satsang, a free learning series, where our intention is to help you with entrepreneurial skills, the new age digital skills, the digital know-how, maybe some life mastery skills, something related to the world beyond spiritual skills, energy skills, and also have some guest speakers on this platform gradually. So, thank you so much for your interest to learn from us. And today's topic is six components of a highly effective website that will help you generate leads, right? So, may I know if you already have a website and are you okay for me to review that website? If you already have a website, type in the chat box, you give me your website URL, and then I can share my content via reviewing your website. So Vishwanath Chau does not have a website. That's all right. Nitin, Somen, let's see who else is in the room. Arif, Sharda, Somen, Sumit, Vijay. Anyone has a website here already, functional website? Okay, are you guys there? Am I audible? Am I visible? Is my audio video clear? Somen has. So Somen, are you okay? Sumit has. Okay. So yeah, my audio video is visible, but do you have a website? Okay, you don't have. All right, then that's all right. Uh, then we will just walk through the session. And anyone here who has a website and you would want, okay, Sharda, so when you make your website, you have to see what are the things you must have on your website. That is the agenda today. So Arif, are you okay for me to review your website and give you honest comments, straightforward comments? Thank you so much, Arif. Let's look at your website then. Okay, so first and foremost, all right. Good evening, Sandeep ji. Good evening. Yeah. So first and foremost, it is very important to secure. Okay, your Google is not going to list you. Okay, in searches because it is a not secure website. So it is very important to get the SSL certificate for your website. It is not a cost; it is an investment. Okay, because when you are doing Facebook campaigns and stuff like this, right now Facebook has changed a lot of its policies. There must be a privacy policy on your website, and there must be the website must be secured. Get the SSL certificate. That is number one. Your logo quality has to be very good. Okay, the logo quality looks little, if you have to appear like a brand, okay, that the logo is very beautiful. Okay, that is very nice. The concept is very nice, but the resolution does not look good of that logo. So you may just want to make sure that you know. Now, this is good. Your opening statement is good. Improve your basic calculation and be proficient. No, but why would a teacher want to improve basic calculation and be, the teacher may want to be proficient in mathematics, but as a teacher, if somebody is willing to be a teacher, Vedic math teacher, I assume they have good basic calculations. Only a student will want to have this, right? Let me get you on. I'm going to get you on panel. Okay, are you comfortable to come on audio or video? Depending on that, either I will just allow give you the audio permissions. If you are okay to come on video, then I'll have to move you to panelist. What do you prefer, Arif? Audio or video? I have some questions for you. So, audio, great. You can unmute and speak. I know, and I have some questions for you. All right, done.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, Arif. Thank you so much for volunteering for the review of your website. So this is is this a text or is it on the image, this content?
Text.
This is text, right? It is not on the image, right?
Oh.
Why? Because if it is on the image, it will not be read. But if it is a text, right? So
Right.
it will be, yeah. So that is good. My question was improve your basic calculation for a teacher that looks little out of place.
Okay. Okay.
Because basic calculation is for a student, right?
Only for student.
Just say be proficient. No, actually be see, no. So okay. So see, become professional Vedic math teacher in 30 days. It is good. Okay. And why would someone want to become a Vedic teacher, a Vedic maths teacher?
It is for a freelancer.
So is that coming here? Because then they will be able to earn, they will be able to create some revenue, some income stream for them, right?
Yes, yes.
So that is the outgain of your program, right? The teacher is not coming to become proficient in maths.
Yes.
The teacher is coming so that they can create an additional income for them. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
So you will have to put there that create an additional income stream.
Yes.
Or create income, create an income stream, is that's the right word, or income opportunity.
Yes.
Okay, because this punchline needs to go. Okay. Start the course means what happens straight away? You take them to you have some recorded courses, is it? No, what is happening? Start course. It is not going anywhere.
No course, madam, there.
So then, then okay, at least you have the call to action. But no more is better, right? Otherwise, remove that button if you don't have anything.
Okay.
Upon, just remove that button. What is this Vedic way? Is there a spelling mistake here?
No, Vedic Ganit, right?
Vedic Ganit. उसको हिंदी में लिखिए ना, आजकल तो हिंदी में भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश में पढ़ा तो मेरे को रजिस्टर ही नहीं हुआ.
ठीक है.
संस्कृत ये 3 सीक्रेट्स है ना, ये 3 सीक्रेट लिखा आपने. सीक्रेट्स, वो डैश डैश का क्या मतलब है मालूम नहीं.
हाँ, जिससे बनाया उसने उन्होंने लिख दिया शायद उसमें.
Now you have written we make winners of 21st century. अभी this is what you do, right? But your language should be what's in it for them.
Yes,
so you should say be a winner in 21st century.
Okay.
Instead of we make winners, you tell them you be a winner in 21st century. Only you are only facilitating that, okay?
Okay, you be.
Now this 3 secrets for what, right? So this does not fit here. This content is not fitting here only.
Okay.
Abhi, you are a Vedic math professional trainer, and you are writing here author and life skill trainer. This is disconnect, right?
Okay.
So, and what secret to know more important concepts of Vedic Ganit, to learn some formulas, their actual implementation. No, see this is good, but this is not. This is the problem, right? Your content is not in alignment with what you are trying to do. This is all a students need. Is that the teachers need?
Both.
Okay, so but you have to orient this to how this is going to help the teacher.
In speed calculating, they can do calculation fast.
Yeah, so you to know more. So the three, it's a secret. It's not aligning. It's like what will happen when to know important concept of Vedic Ganit. So how it is going? So do you think somebody will join to know the important concepts of Vedic Ganit? Now this is your system. You are going to teach them Vedic Ganit. You are going to teach them 9R bio calculator circle method. This is the features of your product.
Yes.
To get their future. So this whole content is not fitting. You will have to rework on it.
Okay.
What feature? What they will be able to get? What is the future they will get?
Okay.
What happens when a teacher is able to solve a problem faster in front of their student?
Okay.
In front of your students.
Yes.
No. Right? The teacher
Right.
And make your students your fan.
Yes.
And then have what do you say? Develop skills that will that students and parents seek, and they come running to you. It is like you will have a room full of students.
Yes. Yes.
Have a room full of students. अभी सीखने के बाद उनको पैसा कमाना है. पैसा कमाने के लिए बच्चे ज्यादा चाहिए क्लास में. So that isn't that it what they want. So what is it that they want out of doing this course with you? What the is you are doing the trainer for Vedic mathematics.
Yes, yes, it is correct.
Yeah. So what the trainer wants, you have to write that. These are features. This is your course. This is what you will teach inside the course. These are features. अभी AC खरीदते हैं हम तो उसमें 5-star rating, eco friendliness, whatever, low electricity bill. These are all the features.
Yes.
तो उसके लिए AC खरीदा कि मैं अपने कंफर्ट और कन्वीनियंस के लिए खरीदा.
जी.
आपने किस लिए खरीदा AC?
कौन सा बेटा?
AC घर के अंदर सपोज AC खरीद रहे हैं आप.
हाँ.
तो आप AC जब खरीदने जा रहे हैं तो आपकी नीड क्या थी? व्हाट वाज योर नीड?
अभी गर्मी ज्यादा है तो थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए, टेम्परेचर मेंटेन रहना चाहिए.
आपकी नीड क्या थी? कंफर्ट एंड कन्वीनियंस. करेक्ट. एंड यू लुक्ड एट ऑल द फीचर्स. ओके, 4-star रेटिंग है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल कम आएगा, वो सब बात की बात है. बट सबसे पहले यू वेंट टू for what you went? You wanted your own comfort and convenience.
Convenient.
Right? अभी आप कोई भी एडवर्टीजमेंट देखो, वो क्या बोलते हैं? कोने कोने में हवा पहुंचा है, फैन का ऐड आता है.
जी.
क्या है कि फैन सेंटर में लगा है तो दूर तक हवा नहीं आती है. That's the pain, right? So what people go to buy, okay, I will buy a fan जो मेरे एक 10x10 के रूम में कोने कोने में हवा दे, because that's a pain problem, right? That फैन की हवा थोड़े से एरिया में रहती है.
जी.
Right? So you have to figure out what is the real, how will your teachers benefit when they become a professional Vedic teacher. Okay. That should come here.
मैडम अबाउट के अंदर है बहुत सारा चीजें लिखी है.
अरे भैया, लेकिन हमारा मेन पेज तो होम पेज है. हाँ, होम पेज है. ओके, कितना अटेंशन स्पैन है लोगों का? 0 to 8 seconds on your website. और तो मैं तो यहाँ पर आके यहाँ से बाहर चली जाऊंगी 8 सेकंड में. मैं थोड़ी जाके देखूंगी अबाउट अस में क्या लिखा हुआ है, आपका एक वेबसाइट जाके थोड़ी देखूंगी. बिकॉज लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. ओके, लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. Your home page is the most visited page on the planet Earth, and all whatever you want to talk about your offering has to come on the home page. Okay, look at this. Okay, there are 1.83 billion websites. And there are many options for people. They will not go and ये पहले वेबसाइट कैसे बनाते थे? हमारे बिजनेस कार्ड में वेबसाइट दे दिया, हमारी वेबसाइट है भैया, देख लेना. नहीं है ना, अपने आप लोगों को आपके वेबसाइट पे पहुंच, अगर कोई लैंड अप, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे विल नॉट लैंड अप सिंपली ऑन योर वेबसाइट, यू हैव टू डू सम प्रमोशंस. They land up on your website, if they don't get what they want, they simply walk away. They are not going to look at कि मेरे मतलब की information कौन से पेज में है.
जी जी.
See, look at this. There are 4.8 billion internet users on the world, 1.83 billion websites. There's so many 238 billion emails sent today, so many Google searches done, so many blog posts written. When first time I saw this, I was really taken aback. Right? There are 2.73 billion Facebook users. Right? So
Right.
this, right? So your homepage is the most visited page on the planet Earth.
Okay.
And it must have the necessary. There are a lot of, I'm just going to stop here, but this contact us form is again a big problem. This, what has happened is, suppose I went and browsed your website and I don't call you. How will you know I visited your website?
No.
People you are missing out.
Yes, madam.
Now see, even your products, they don't look like Train the Trainer. They looks like यहाँ पे एक बच्ची बनी हुई है. Right? Or then your topics are also like learn how to memorize quickly. अभी teacher के लिए, how is this? The course names are also not well done. Then I'm sorry really, but I have to tell you, because if you want your website to work for you, I'm sorry, I'm very brutal and straightforward in my comments. I hope you don't mind it.
No.
Because this is just simply going waste for you.
Okay, suggest me, madam.
Make sure that you have some color coding on the website. देखिए कितने color, I was impressed, right? अभी यहाँ आपका red और black combination है लोगों का, तो make your entire website in red and black combination. अभी आपने यहाँ ब्लू कलर यूज किया, चलो वो भी अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन अभी यहाँ जाने के बाद येलो कलर भी आ गया, ब्राउन कलर भी आ गया, ब्लू का दूसरा शेड भी आ गया, पर्पल कलर भी आ गया नीचे. Trusted by thousands of students and tutors. Start learning. Where it will go? Nothing is happening. So whenever you don't have any functional button, don't keep it. Okay, because this looks incomplete website. अभी ये टेस्टिमोनियल में ये जो फॉर्मेट में ये लोगों ने डाला, यू आर सेइंग ट्रस्टेड बाय थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट, अभी एक भी राइट स्टूडेंट का टेस्टिमोनी नहीं है इधर, ये सिर्फ टेम्पलेट है जिन्होंने
15 ही दिन है बनाकर उसको, अभी बन रही है.
हाँ जी, okay, fine. That is so. Okay, whoever is making your website, he has some taste. Okay, he is good in terms. You use bigger fonts here. The font is good. But the content you will have to provide. तो उसने execution कर दिया है, उसने यहाँ बराबर से लिखा है, उसने, but ये color combination he must change. That he should do. Okay, that they should do it. Okay, but testimonial maybe ना as a template. This is that empty. It's coming from the template.
Yes.
So, these are things which should be done. Book your seat now. I mean, abhi this contact us form. So okay, I got many things. Those contact. This is not the. This can exist, but if there are 100 people visiting your website, you will not know कि कौन से 10 लोग उसमें थोड़ा serious थे और interest था उनको. Call you. Right?
Right.
Us. What are the 6 important components of your website that can help you generate leads? Now, my question to you is, what is the intent of your website? Do you want to generate leads from your website?
Yes.
Right. So everybody here is interested to generate leads for your website, right? Right? Yes, I will review. Let's look at some more. Whoever is open for reviewing your website, Sumit, do you bsgpl.co.in? Sumit, do you want me to review your website? So thank you so much, Arif ji. I'm done with the few comments for you. I will look at few more websites, and then that will help me. All of you will understand my points better. Instead of simply telling these are the 6 things you should have, Now I've given some inputs, and then we will go and look at why these 6 things are important and what those 6 things are. Okay, make sense, everyone? All right. So Sumit, yes, let's review your website. So please take security certificate. Everyone who does not have a security certificate, you don't know what you are losing. Okay, you don't come under authentic websites in the dictionary of Google, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you are promoting your stuff. It is an investment. 7,500 रुपया कुछ लगता है साल का. That range 5,000 to 7,000 or whatever. It is an investment. It is not an expense. Okay, because at times these they will just show that this website is not a safe website for you to explore, and then it simply ruins your reputation. Okay. Abhi, I'm so sorry. I will just go because I'm just going to be very ruthless. Okay, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Okay. Is it okay, Sumit? All right. Thank you so much. Right. So now, what are you understanding from this website? Our sectors. This is okay. You do this. Okay. Now you have B2B clients or B2C clients. Let me get you on. Let me get you on. Do you want to come on audio, video? Audio is fine. Audio. Chalo, theek hai, good. B2B. Okay. Now tell me, how is it? How this page is helping someone? How this page is helping someone? I mean, when I landed up here on a website, I don't even know what you do. It is not talking about what is it? What's your business? Then okay, can you tell me what your business is all about? Wait, I'm not able to hear you. Let me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. I'm not able to hear you still. Good evening, everyone who all joined in late. So we are just doing a website review. So after that, you have not missed anything. Those who joined late, I'm just doing some website reviews, and then I'll start my content because then you will understand what exactly I'm trying to tell. Okay, and it will register into you forever. Okay, so when you are doing your website, new website, or want to renew your existing website, you know what to focus upon. We are not able to hear you, Sumit. I'm not able to hear you. Your audio shows, I mean, unmuted, but we can't hear you. All right, you said B2B. We're not able to hear you. I don't know what is the reason. I'm just simply, this is the old way of doing websites. Okay, this is a very old way of doing. You're a civil engineering consultancy group. Now, what is the problem you are solving for your customers? I really need to talk to you. I need to talk to you to understand what you do, and then I can make some recommendation. Or your audio is not visible. I'll just wait for a few minutes and then I'll move on to someone else. I'm really sorry because I need to talk to you because now I understand you are a consultancy, civil engineering consultancy group. So I need to know what is the problem you are solving in the market. That should come in the beginning. Then how your customers benefit, that should come later. Okay. And um, your success stories, all this work that you have executed, success stories should come. Okay, so then you see this, your home page is the most visited page on planet Earth. Okay, your home page should contain the right communication, the value communication that your clients are going to get for you. What is the problem you are solving? Okay, and again, same thing, you're just giving the contact number. If you are the only one in the market, only one doing this business, then you can expect people to call you because you have monopoly. They have no other place to go, so they have no other option than to call you. But it is no longer expecting your customers to call you. It's your responsibility to get their contact details so you can call them. Make sense? Right. So see, this is the story. All websites have these issues. This is the challenge. Now let's look at one more website. Who had shared the next? Yes, Ankur. Ankur is traveling in Pondicherry. Okay, awesome. Lokesh Agro. Lokesh, is it okay? Lokesh, can I review your website, Lokesh? Lokesh, are you there? Yes. Will you get angry on me if I am very ruthless, brutal on your website? Will okay? Can I be straightforward and honest? Because it really matters for your growth. Thank you so much, Lokesh. Thank you. Let's go to Lokesh's website. Okay. Chalo. It's a e-commerce website. What is your USP? What, I mean, what? Okay. Yes, Suman. Who else is there? After this, Suman, and then we are done. Then we will start our content, Inside Bite. Okay. So yeah, I want to get you on Lokesh on. Lokesh, audio is good. Let's get you on audio only. But I don't see audio, video, anything. Have you joined from? Yeah. Can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, awesome, great. अच्छा बताइए लोकेश, आप ये जो आप काम ये this is the e-commerce, you have products, right?
Yes.
You have fresh fruits also, vegetables also, grocery, everything you have.
हिंदी में बात कर पाऊंगा, सॉरी।
नहीं, हिंदी में बात कीजिए। तो ये कहाँ पर हैं आप? हल्द्वानी?
हाँ, मैं बेसिकली नहीं, मैं मुक्तेश्वर बेल्ट से हूँ, भीमताल और मुक्तेश्वर बेल्ट से।
हाँ।
और ये हमारी जो सप्लाई है, वैसे बेसिकली हम दिल्ली एनसीआर करते थे, पर ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम में हमने एक सोचा कि हम लोग अपनी एक वेबसाइट बनाएं जिसमें हम अपने सारे प्रोडक्ट को ला सकें उसके भीतर में।
अच्छा, अब एक बात बताइए कि आप अभी आप अकेले तो ये काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, अकेले ही हूँ।
कहाँ पर?
मैं और मेरी फैमिली, हम भीमताल पे।
नहीं, अकेले मतलब आप, और कोई दुकान नहीं है ये ग्रोसरी वाली, और कोई वेबसाइट नहीं है
यहाँ पे लोकल पे?
हाँ,
लोकल पे नहीं, लोकल पे इस तरीके का कोई भी नहीं है।
आप अकेले हो?
हाँ, यहाँ पे तो अकेले हो।
तो यू एक्सपेक्ट ओनली लोकल ऑर्डर्स?
नहीं, मेरा बेसिकली जो बेसिक ऑर्डर्स हैं वो दिल्ली एनसीआर है।
तो दिल्ली एनसीआर में आप अकेले ये काम कर रहे हो?
नहीं, वहाँ काफी लोग हैं।
हाँ, तो मेरा यही है कि इतने सारे लोगों में आपकी क्या खासियत है?
हम लोग बेसिक फार्मर बेस्ड कंपनी है, मतलब हम डायरेक्ट फार्मर के साथ मिलकर काम करते हैं। बेसिकली मैं खुद ही फार्मर हूँ।
ओके, सो वेयर इज इट कमिंग फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट? वेयर इज इट कमिंग ऑन द वेबसाइट? डू यू थिंक इट इज अ गुड थिंग?
हिंदी में बात करते हैं।
सॉरी, आपको क्या लगता है कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं अभी कि हम डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम फार्मर्स, मैं खुद फार्मर हूँ, तो अगर आप हाँ, ये इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि नहीं आपके बिजनेस में, मतलब जो अभी आपने मुझसे
नहीं,
शेयर।
वेबसाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसका रीजन ये है कि क्योंकि इसमें हम लोग अपने सारे प्रोडक्ट को कैटेगराइज कर लेते हैं और सामने वाले कस्टमर को बार बार वो लिस्ट भेजने की जरूरत नहीं होती, क्योंकि हमारे पास कस्टमर बेस थोड़ा बहुत है ऑलरेडी दिल्ली एनसीआर में जो है।
वो बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, आपने जो मुझसे बात की, हम डायरेक्ट, मैंने पूछा ना आपकी खासियत क्या है,
हाँ
हम डायरेक्ट फार्मर से लेके आते हैं, ये आपने बोला, ये आपकी खासियत है ना।
हाँ।
वेबसाइट में कहाँ दिख रही है? अभी जो फर्स्ट टाइम आपकी वेबसाइट पे आएगा,
अबाउट अस
कहाँ है अबाउट अस?
नीचे।
who has time to go and explore? किसके पास टाइम है जाके अंदर जाके देखने के लिए? ये मिशन स्टेटमेंट सबसे ऊपर होना है, क्वालिटी की गारंटी। ओके, अगर आप ये अपना ऊपर डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम फार्मर्स, राइट, यू सेड, और क्या आपकी और क्या खासियत है बताइए?
हम लोग डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम फार्मर है और फास्टेस्ट डिलीवरी है, क्योंकि दिल्ली एनसीआर में क्या होता है कि जो भी प्रोडक्ट आता है वो सबसे पहले लोकल मंडी जाता है, लोकल मंडी के बाद दिल्ली मंडी जाता है और उसके बाद ग्राहकों तक जाता है। हमारा क्या होता है कि हम लोग यहाँ से फर्स्ट दिन तोड़ते हैं और सेकंड में इवनिंग में ट्रेन पे होता है और मॉर्निंग पे लोगों के घर में होता है फास्टेस्ट डिलीवरी।
ये इधर ऊपर अपने मेन पेज में
हाँ
लिखेंगे बड़ा में, जैसे हमने वो दूसरी वेबसाइट में देखा ना, बिकम अ प्रोफेशनल टीचर, राइट? यहाँ एक आपका टैगलाइन आएगा, डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम फार्मर्स, क्वालिटी की गारंटी, फास्टेस्ट डिलीवरी,
ठीक है,
मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल कॉस्ट,
ठीक है,
ऑर्गेनिक प्रोड्यूस।
ठीक है।
तो डू यू थिंक इट विल अट्रैक्ट पीपल मोर?
यस।
आपने यहाँ डाला नीचे, व्हाई चूजर्स ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी, होम डिलीवरी, क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस। ये एकदम ऑर्डिनरी स्टेटमेंट है। अभी मैंने आपको जो बोला वो बेटर है या ये वाला स्टेटमेंट बेटर है?
जो आपने बोला वो बेटर है।
Correct. So words really matter. Okay. So that is the input I have for you because yours is an e-commerce site. बाकी इसमें मुझे convenience of ordering देखना पड़ेगा कि कितने clicks, user interface कैसा है, you know, जाके इसका ऐप भी होगा फिर आपके पास, correct?
नहीं, अभी ऐप नहीं है।
So now out of stock लिखने की बजाय you should also, how will you know somebody is interested in this, right? So you can also make a provision of pre-book.
ठीक है,
pre-book डाला तो कस्टमर लूज नहीं किया ना।
हाँ।
तो आपको मालूम है कि इसका ऑर्डर आ रहा है भैया अपने पास, अपने को और इसको स्टॉक करना जरूरी है अभी।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
You will have to have a mechanism for pre-book orders if they are getting out of stock.
नहीं, आपकी बात से मैं सहमत हूँ। मैं इस तरीके का करने की सोच रहा था, क्योंकि हमारा क्या होता है कि जब तक कोई प्रोडक्ट आने वाला है तब तक क्लाइंट हमारा पता चलेगा कि हमें स्टॉक में रखना है करके।
करेक्ट। सो प्री बुक कर लो ना, दैट इज अगेन, आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू नाउ, दिस इज नॉट एन ऑनलाइन स्ट्रेटेजी, दिस इज अ बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजी।
ठीक है।
दैट डोंट लूज इंटरेस्ट, don't lose interest if somebody is interested, and how to make sure कि उतना ही ऑर्डर कर और उतना ही मंगाए, क्योंकि श्रिंकेज होता है ना आपके इसमें, शेल्फ लाइफ होती है प्रोडक्ट्स की।
हाँ, शेल्फ लाइफ होती है, क्योंकि हम लोग को उससे थोड़ा बहुत प्रोडक्ट अपने लिए रखते हैं, ज्यादा हम सारा मंडी कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी। क्योंकि हम लोग इतना तो प्रोडक्ट ऑनलाइन और सारी चीजों से सेल कर नहीं पाते हैं।
करेक्ट।
तो हमें मंडी भी जरूरी है हमारे लिए। बट ये है कि एक नया मतलब एक तरीके से ये समझिए कि हम फार्मर हैं, तो कुछ अपने आड़ुओं का हमने जैम बना दिया, अपने पुलम का हमने जैम बना दिया, तो सारी चीजें हैं उसके भीतर में।
करेक्ट। सो आई एम सेइंग दैट यू कैन डू दैट, ओके, प्री बुक, सो यू नो दैट कितना ऑर्डर करना है। अब प्री बुक का कुछ टोकन अमाउंट ले लेना है।
ठीक है।
यू नो, जस्ट प्री बुक, just 10 rupees, 50 rupees, I don't know, 20% of the whatever is the cost.
ठीक है।
Right, so that you know, and you must give, then you because you are saying I guarantee fastest delivery and all, so that is why I'm suggesting that, not just taking the money and not delivering on time. That is not a good thing to do.
ठीक है।
It will spoil your reputation. Do it only when you are sure that you will be able to provide it in next 3 days or 5 days or whatever.
ठीक है।
With that communication on the product that will be available next week or whatever date, and then just take the token, reserve the product and take the token amount. Because ये बिजनेस में अभी कस्टमर आ गया है, क्योंकि कस्टमर के पास और बहुत भी ऑप्शंस है ना, तो you just have to tap into, if they have shopping on your website and they want a product, make sure that you tap in automatically from your own, not leaving up to them कि अच्छा बाद में जाके check करेंगे वहाँ है कि नहीं है. तो जब कुछ out of stock हो गया तो you just left it open ended, right? You close the loop by taking pre-booking orders.
ठीक है.
Okay. Yeah, rest only thing is that your opening statement, what you do should be very clear. About us and all, nobody is looking at. Now you can actually link this to your WhatsApp number if this is your business number, so that immediately people can connect with you on WhatsApp.
ठीक है.
यहाँ पे आप WhatsApp का नंबर दे सकते हैं, मतलब डायरेक्टली WhatsApp पे इंक्वायरी आ जाएगी.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes.
And yeah, I mean, because it's an e-commerce site, I have a lot more to say, but it is little out of context with other things. That is why I'm not sharing more. But ठीक है, चलेगा. मतलब ये business करेगी ये website, उतना problem नहीं है. But just वो शुरू ऊपर की line आप ठीक कर लीजिए. That will really help you.
Thanks.
And ये जो आपने about us में इतना detail में लिखा है ना, उसको bullet points में बना है. ये ऐसे के जैसा लिखा हुआ है. मतलब बच्चों को स्कूल में लिखने बोलते हैं ना, कुछ मतलब दिवाली पे एक आर्टिकल लिख के लेके आओ. तो people don't read like this. So look at my website. I was also पहले मेरा version 1 मेरे उनको बोल रही हूँ दिखाने के लिए, इतना टेक्स्ट था मेरे वेबसाइट पे. अभी देखिए बुलेट पॉइंट्स में लिखा हुआ है ये. देखिए कुछ सिर्फ छोटे टेक्स्ट कम दिखेगा आपको, डिटेल.
ठीक है.
शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट में रखना है उसको. Even if they go to my about us page, okay, I am still trying to keep it in bullet points, and I am structured in such a way that ये भी ज्यादा कंटेंट है, लेकिन जरूरी था इसलिए किया हुआ है. But that is not on my home page. Everything I have put my stories like this. Everything has bullet points, so people read. Professional timeline, like देखिए ये bullet points, right? So entrepreneurial timeline, ये इतने businesses चालू किए 2006 actually, वो end of 2006 2017, right? But this is not on my home page. My home page is telling what customers want, right? Hungry to shift your business to next orbit, right? Because this website is focused on business. I'm a business growth strategist, right? So, and then how I can help business owners, what I can do for them. And then there are certain, these are called lead magnets. Okay, मैं अभी समझाऊंगी वो, but this is how it is. Okay, so look at this. So your home page, because home page say people will decide whether they want to continue on your website or not. All right. So for you, on that, those are the comments that I have. Okay. Let's take, shall we go to the content or shall we take Suman's website also? Let's take Suman's website quickly and then we'll move on to the content. I thought इसमें थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा, पर 10 मिनट लग गए. हाँ, वेबिनार का रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करते हैं. YouTube में अपलोड करूंगी, you can have a look. First of all, the word contact leads does not, I feel that you are some marketing agency. So that is why it leads. अभी यहाँ contact leads है website में, और आप यहाँ पे leads डाला है यहाँ पे. So अगर आपको leads.com या leads.in मिलता तो that was better. So this is not going in, there is a disconnect here itself. Contact leads, I really feel like you are some marketing agency who can give me leads for my business. Okay. Previous webinar also, your YouTube link is there. I will share it in the group. Join my Telegram group. I'll share all those things later. Okay, let's focus on the content. Can we focus on the content, please? Okay, yeah. So comprehensive training and development solutions. We provide. This is a big problem. This is what I do. Okay. We provide customized training and counseling solutions to individual, organization, and institutions. Our goal is to enhance your leadership and productivity. This is all about you. What you do. How is it going to help others? What you do. Enhancing your leadership and productivity That is what they want. But more than like this, there's a different, the headline should be in a different format, and the headline is the most important statement of your website. The first line that you write on the website, because in SEO, if people are searching something like that, you will start appearing if you have the right keywords, and those are called long tail keywords. Okay. So book free consultation, does it take me some to Calendly link or somewhere? No. So if you want to book consultation, there is a product called Calendly. Okay. You can open a free account, and they can directly schedule, and you can put your time slots, and they can directly schedule an appointment, because you are saying schedule a consultation. That's what I read, right? But this is a contact us form. So there is no, the things are not connecting properly. Book free consultation का मतलब क्या होता है? They are expecting you to give them a calendar slot and time for free consultation. They're not asking you to connect to contact us form, and then you will reach to them. And then you're giving your number also. Then what is the need for them to book a appointment? So these things are not flowing in a sequence. Okay, now अभी मुझे वापस जाना है, तो कैसे जाऊँ? यहाँ होम पेज पे जाऊँ. See, this is the navigation of the website is so difficult. Everything this customize, again the features of your products and service. What is it solving for your customer? They came looking for a solution for the problem they are facing. Where are you talking about that? Our expertise, this is what we will do for you. Great. Nobody is interested. What's in it for them? Again, tips to add into your routine. Now this is good, but I don't, after somebody gives their name and email ID, where does it go? Where the name and email ID is going? Is it going to an Excel sheet? Are you getting an email in your inbox? Let me ask you, let me get you. Okay, so what happens when somebody gives the details here?
So it will come to my email.
Yeah, now this is a problem. Suppose 1,000 people come and apply. And now you want to send one email about your upcoming program. So you will go to write 100 emails. Or if all those emails are available at one place and you just have to write it once and broadcast, will that be better?
Yes.
So taking your contact details, directing to your email is a bad practice.
Okay.
Okay, because if you have अभी एक दो लोग आ रहे हैं तो ठीक है, but you're not created or invested in website for एक दो लोग.
Yes.
To your website and everybody, this is an interesting offering. Then they should get an immediately the moment they give their details. You will not be able to send them a welcome email immediately as soon as they give their details, right?
Okay. Yes. Yeah, I cannot.
So these are the problems, and this is a very outdated way of running. The content needs to be completely revised. There's too much of content. It has to be format, and the highlights are missing completely. Okay. So videos, your video, but you are showing me some other videos. So you can call it, instead of showing that, you can call it resources.
Okay.
To say videos, I'm thinking, okay, I'll get to see your videos as a somebody who landed up on your website, right?
Okay.
All outdated. You are a trainer, right? Coach, where you should be something. You should be your blog. You should
Okay.
be having success stories. You should be having testimonials, because about services, all this is okay. This contact us form is not have contact us form like this. some of the previous website very short list to give contact. There are other ways to, because you are expecting people to give their name and details to you.
Yes.
But you should be enabling them to give contact details to you.
Okay.
Their
So
own.
one concern I have, Vandana ji, like the leads का जो description है वो नीचे जा रहा है बहुत. मैंने बोला भी था कि ये तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा leads means what. So अगर आप थोड़ा नीचे आएंगे तो देखें नहीं why में आ रहा है वो, and it's very down. Home page पे ही.
ये उन्होंने बहुत, ये मैं जा रही हूँ होम पेज पे. Okay, you have a lot of content, but this needs to be structured properly. Enquire now. You should be selling directly from here later. Anyways,
Okay.
Let me go to the home page. So वो
Yeah,
technique.
ये ऊपर चला गया that yes this one blue में जो है इसके ऊपर this one. So this describe our leads का acronym. तो वो बहुत नीचे हो गया.
नहीं, there's a lot of issues in this website, Suman ji.
Okay.
Structure करके कह दे. First of all, first of all, the language itself is not right.
That I understood because when I joined you, उसके बाद मैंने को समझ में आ गया था इसमें करना पड़ेगा changes. But I'm waiting that we'll go ahead and I'll learn more. Then I'll bring the changes in a one go.
Actually, I'm even leads करके कोई word ही नहीं है. अगर आपको कुछ बोलना भी है तो you can simply say you are an army officer major, right?
Yes.
Lead. We don't have to put SS there.
Actually वो skills and strategy के चक्कर में आ गया. Otherwise lead भी डाल सकते थे. You are right.
And development consultancy की बजाय skills and strategies. समझ गया? Strategies comes in consultancy, skills comes in training.
Yes.
So skills and strategies for your growth, for your leadership growth.
Okay.
Skills
And
skills and strategies for you to lead.
Okay.
Right? You can explain now. Okay. Okay. So this nobody is interested to see. They're not even understanding what you are trying to tell. Okay. If you really want to explain this, you should come on a video and do a short video on what lead is and explain this and show the screenshot that this is what it means.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is left up to the intelligence of the visitor, stranger on your website to understand what you are trying to tell.
So you are suggesting instead of leads, you should write only lead.
That's all, lead. Because अगर आपका leadership program है, तो just lead डालो ना, lead. That's all.
Okay.
Lead.
Got it.
You have all the right to use that word because you are a major.
Right.
I'm a major, right? I'm from army, so you can write that, right?
Okay.
So okay. Now.
And content also, I have to bring it in bullet forms, more precise. छोटा करना पड़ेगा.
And I am not sure why are you putting somebody else's video on your home page. It should be you on your home page.
Okay.
अपना घर किसी को किराए पे दे दिया, ऐसा हो गया है.
Okay. Right.
किसी और की वीडियोस चला रहे हो यहाँ पे.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so इसको हम अभी बंद करेंगे and I'm going to start my session. Okay.
Sure.
So I'm just going to already the session is started. Now I'm going to summarize. When I put it now you guys will understand what is the important and essential components and how not to have so much text and content on the website anymore. Why homepage is the most important page of your website, and people after going through your homepage only they will decide whether they want to explore other pages or not. And in the first line itself, your outcome has to come. So, one second. I'm going to do my screen share. So, yeah, right. So, yeah, let me look at your chat. Okay, this is going to be very powerful. Don't worry about reviews and let's handle all your Q&A. I'll just take about 15 minutes to finish this content and then we can have all your, I'll move all of you to panelists or those who want to speak, and then we will address all your questions. Okay, I'll address all your questions. Now, the most important, component of your website is you. Agree? A digital version of you. Do you agree? Now you're saying ये तो website है ना, मैं तो यहाँ हूँ. But do you know that this is a real world and there is a virtual world? So your presence on the virtual world, if you have a website, the most important component of your website is you, right? Because people first buy you, then they buy your products or services. And how you will be present on a personal branded website. Now I am talking for personal branded website, but even if you are not in personal branded stuff, e-commerce products as Lokesh had, or you are in a B2B products as Sumit had, okay. Then also it is important for from now onwards that you are present on your website. If Lokesh prepares a video where he writes, the first line is direct from farmers, cost quality ki guarantee, whatever was your punchline, and fastest delivery. And then immediately, even before showing your products, if your video comes talking about you, okay, who you are, what you do, and why you are doing what you are doing. Why, right? आपने बोला फार्मर है, हम यहाँ से आ रहा है, जरूरी है ये बताना. तो आप ये काम क्यों कर रहे हैं, इससे लोगों को क्या फायदा होगा, और why you are motivated to do this? सिर्फ पैसा आ रहा है इसलिए कर रहे हैं कि really you want to, you know, there is some purpose behind doing this, right? Because people connect with your purpose. So irrespective of whatever business you are in, it is good to have your picture on the website because it builds trust. Then what is the goal of your website? Now for an e-commerce website, the goal is sales. His goal is sales. But for a personal branding person, the goal could be lead generation, or the goal could also be positioning yourself as an authority in your topic. If that is your goal, you will have to make sure that you are writing enough content on your website in the form of blogs. And those content should be what your customers are looking for. So what is the goal of your website? Simply lead generation, positioning yourself as an authority, or selling, directly selling from your website. What is your goal? Identify that, and it is important to get your website aligned on that goal. If lead generation is the goal, on every page of your website, you should have a mechanism to generate leads as well as capture leads. Two different things. Lead generation can happen on your website, and lead capture. Abhi somebody is interested or not interested, you make them interested. How? I'm going to cover that. Okay, through this. So you are the most important person. Your photo or video should be there, and what is the goal of your website? What do you want, right? And you should always create one video which tells why you are in this business. Why are you doing this? Why are you creating professional Vedic math teachers? Why is it important for you to create, help people acquire some professional skill, be it Vedic math or whatever, job skill, soft skill, life skill, business skill, whatever it is. Why you do what you do. Your video, even Lokesh can prepare a video. आप खुद बना सकते हैं अपने लिए कि क्यों कर रहे हैं आप ये काम. पहले से घर में इनहेरिटेंस में मिला इसलिए कर रहे हैं, जबरदस्ती करना पड़ रहा है, या आप you like, you enjoy doing this. You have to answer that for yourself, right? And then you enjoy, right? So you have to express why you enjoy that. Your video, short video, 1 minute, 2 minute, less than 2 minute video, that's all. इसमें आप ये काम क्यों कर रहे हैं, इसमें आपको क्यों मजा आता है, इससे आप लोगों की मदद कैसे कर रहे हैं, what is the fulfillment you are deriving, आपको ये काम करने के बाद क्या खुशी मिलती है. There must be a reason, right? So similarly, your why you do what you do, your why is so important because people connect with your why more than what you are doing and how you are doing it. Most of the time people are talking about what you do. We do this, we provide this, we are this, we are this, we are XYZ, we are ABC, whatever. But people will connect with you. That is why you are the most important component of your website. Now, you have to build some credibility also on the website. Now, credibility comes from your achievements and accomplishments. What is the difference? What is an achievement? अगर आपको कोई award मिला है और आपने मतलब आप किसी मैगजीन में आए हो, आपको किसी टीवी पे फीचर किया हो, आपको कोई अवार्ड मिला हो आपकी कम्युनिटी में, बिजनेस अवार्ड मिला हो कोई, whatever your professional achievements. बट अगर आपने अगर आप फार्मर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हो और आपने 1000 फार्मर्स की लाइफ चेंज की है, उन्हें रूटीन, यू हैव गिवन देम लाइवलीहुड बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्क यू आर डूइंग, दैट्स एन अकम्प्लिशमेंट. Accomplishment is what you have done for others. So I can say my achievement is I have been featured in CNBC, I have been featured in Live Mint, I have been featured in whatever, 4-5 things are there, Your Story, whatever, right? Those are my professional achievements. But what is my accomplishment? I helped more than 100 struggling freshers, engineering graduates who were not finding job 4 years after their engineering. I gave them job skills and today they are placed across the world and earning much more than their friends who got placed in campus. Impact in others' life is your accomplishment. खुद को जो मिला, खुद के लिए जो किया, वो achievement है. I am the only person in my family who became a business owner and who is earning a 7-figure salary or a 7-figure income, whatever is it, okay? That is your achievement. But because of the business that you created, you are able to help 100 more people get livelihood. That is your accomplishment. Because these are the things people connect with. So you must have a credible. अगर achievements नहीं है, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई achievement नहीं है. कुछ ना कुछ तो achieve किया होगा लाइफ में. स्पोर्ट्स में स्कूल में फर्स्ट आए होंगे, क्लास में डिबेट में फर्स्ट आए होंगे. 5000 join with us, yes, right? So identify your achievements and accomplishments, because this should go on your website, because people buy you before they buy your products or services. A video which talks about your why and you being very clear on the goal of your website, and also have a photo shoot, professional photo shoot done. Yes, okay. Now, the second most important thing is the opening statement or question you have on your website, which should cover the problem you are solving in the market and the benefit that your target audience is going to get. So for example, I didn't understand Sumit ke website pe what is the problem they are solving. They are a civil construction consultancy. लेकिन क्या प्रॉब्लम है मार्केट में? व्हाट इज द B2B जो बिजनेस के साथ बिजनेस करे उनका क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और आपके साथ काम करने से उन्हें क्या गेन मिलेगा? द प्रॉब्लम एंड बेनिफिट शुड कम इन द सेम स्टेटमेंट. For example, in my website, I am saying hungry to shift your business to next orbit. Okay, let एक point जाके, we will not only, I've also helped few more people, but let me cover the example with my website. Hungry to shift your business to next orbit. बहुत सारे बिजनेस ओनर्स एक पॉइंट पे स्टक हो जाते हैं, तो वो सोचते हैं कि यार मेरे पोटेंशियल है नेक्स्ट लेवल जाना, लेकिन मैं जा नहीं पा रहा हूँ. तो मैंने पेन और गेन दोनों स्टेटमेंट में बता दिया. इसी स्टेटमेंट में, आर यू हंग्री टू शिफ्ट योर बिजनेस टू नेक्स्ट ऑर्बिट? Well, I am on a mission to empower 100,000 business owners, be world-class entrepreneurs. मतलब world-class entrepreneur क्या होता है? Managing business, having luxury of time, having good revenue, running the business with, effectively optimized with processes, technology in place, everything it covers. Makes sense? My picture is there. Now I just personal branding, my video is also there. Right? So whatever I'm telling you, I have implemented the same. I'm not sure if you're able to see my website or I'm simply talking. I don't think I showed my website. Okay. 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 So now my website is visible, right? To the point, it is letting people know what they want. Let's take your business to next level. I am not telling that, I help businesses go to next level. Language, look at my language. I'm not saying I am helping you to take your business to next level. I'm saying let's take your business to next level. Let's get your business online. Right? So let's look at one more example. I'll show this, shalinisrivastav.com. This is her website before she came to me. Okay. There are a few more websites. Even my website has 3-4 versions. Okay. Now this is her website before. Okay. Look at this. Her picture, color combination, dress, so many colors. Do you really need transformation? Who is even people want transformation? Do they accept? Look at this. Look at this. There's so many colors, font size, different. Look at this. And now look at this. What we made later. Her logo itself, she wanted horse. Now this is what is her website. Your picture speaks 1,000 words. How she is living her life, that picture is talking. Do you aspire to be an authentic, impactful leader? The picture, even in my website, look at my picture. It is talking so much about me. What is my picture talking? When you look at this picture, what do you feel? What are you thinking about me when you look at this picture? Right? So look at this. Do you aspire to be authentic, impactful leader who inspires progression, change, and growth? Right? And if they want to know more about you, they're not saying about me page mein jao. Yahan par she's directing, right? Right? There are a lot of things here, okay? So what will you get, right? What do I do? What will you get? Right? And then the programs. And then, this is called a lead magnet. Are you ready to be a great leader? Join my forthcoming free webinar on leadership. Then they will give their name and contact details if they like her website, if they like what she has to offer, right? There are many things here, but I'm saying that a home page is the most important page. Okay. So now I'm going back to my mind map, right? So problem statement, your opening question, because if somebody is searching on how to be an authentic leader, is my mind map visible? Is my mind map visible, guys? Is the screen visible? Can you see this? All right. Thank you so much, Lokesh. Yeah, thank you, Sumit, right? So opening question or opening statement should be a problem as well as a gain statement, benefit. So whatever problem you are solving and how will your customer benefit, you have to come up with a crisp statement that reflects both. Because that statement is attracting the attention of your audience in 0 to 8 seconds. First 8 seconds, they have decided whether they want to spend time on your website or go away. But if they have decided to spend time on your website, rest of the things should be appropriate. Now, next is authenticity, right? So whether you are authentic or not, how will your authenticity come? From the success stories. If Lokesh has some fastest, if customers are happy with Lokesh ka work, okay, not, see, there are two things here for Lokesh. From customers, he will get reviews, and from the farmers whose life he has changed, he will get success stories. Because Lokesh is able to give them business. He is changing their lives. They are getting better livelihood. So success stories for farmers he can keep because his business is like that. And if for this civil construction, your success stories can be whatever consultancy you have given and how it has helped them save time, save money, save resources, whatever. You should take testimonials from your clients every time they are happy with your work, because this is the era of reviews and success stories. Create your business review page, Google business page. Okay, and start taking reviews. Okay, I have done that. I have also done that for my teaching. We have for other businesses also, but for my I do create and sell online courses. Some of you are from there. Okay, I have created a Google review for that also. Yeah, copy. I'm going to share this with you guys. After the session, you can give me a review there. Okay, how was the session for you? What did you learn and stuff like that? Okay, it will really help me spread my work. If you like what I'm offering, I need your help, because this is the era of review. People look at reviews before they come to you, right? So how can be your authenticity comes from your success stories and reviews, and Google reviews is free. There is another tool for getting reviews. It's called trustpilot.com. Trustpilot.com, but it is a paid tool. Google free, everybody searching Google. It makes more sense. I want to show you this. Let me click that link. I also was not doing this reviews thing, and just I think even December I started taking reviews, and I got so many reviews. And now consciously I'm making sure that people review me if they are happy with their offering. See, there are over 700 800 plus people who have come in my programs, but not everybody gives review. There are few people who will give you review. So I've got 67 reviews. So out of 800 people, only 67 people have given me reviews. But that too, at times I forget to ask. So it is very important to build in, right? So, okay, start taking reviews, whatever business you are in, set up this business suite. It is very easy. You can do it on your own. You don't need to take somebody's help or pay money for setting that review. Okay, just put Google reviews, and then it tells you that set up your Google business. It's called Google Business Suite. Something I don't remember exactly. I'll have to go and look at that. Okay. Now, then it's your give and gain. So this is what is lead magnet. So this is a lead generation, as well as, this is only lead generation. For lead capture, we have to do other things. Okay. So lead magnet, give and gain, right? So now lead magnets are something which you are going to give free, so that you get their name and contact details. They are on their own, they give their contact details to you. Currently, none of the website had any lead magnet except Shalini's website and my website. Okay. There, I tell them I'm giving mini courses free. So the moment this is my lead generation here on my website. These are all my lead generation. If you go to resources page, I pop up something else. Okay, for teacher, trainer, coaches, consultant, a mock-up that will come, a pop-up will come like this, which directs them to join my webinars or the whatever 199 sessions that I am doing, right? So on this is I am now, what I am doing is, when somebody decided to stay on my website, I am helping them navigate my website. Okay, so I also used to have a free copy download. This was my earlier lead magnet, that people, if they just want a free ebook, they used to get this. And look at these testimonials and reviews. I have a lot more reviews. What people say about building your credibility. let me show you one more. So this is my landing page. Actually, the content of your landing page itself, you know, it can become your home page, because this is what people see. Now, don't worry about what is landing page and all. I just wanted to show you the reviews and credibility, accomplishment, achievement in the form of pictures I'm showing there. Okay. Look at these reviews. Look at this. There are many more. Even the Google. So isn't it helping develop some trust and credibility that many people are going through this program or whatever I am doing, and there is some trust and credibility that is being developed, and it has to be strategized. Like this, people don't give. If I ask, I've had so many people, and I ask them, can you send a video of how my program has helped you? People don't have time for that. So you have to make sure that you built in capturing testimonial review inside your processes. You can, for example, what can be the lead magnet for Lokesh? He can create a sample for if somebody wants to try the Rajma spices or whatever, you can create a free sample, free sampling kit. So people will come for that free sampling kit and they will give their, if you want a free sampling kit, WhatsApp on this number. You've collected the lead, you've captured the lead both. Right? You generated the lead with your free lead magnet. Now, because I couldn't speak to Sumit, I really don't know his work, so I don't know, but you have to identify what is it that you can give free. It can be brochure, it can be assessments, it can be templates, ebook, reports, mini courses, free consulting call. That is also a lead magnet. Book a free consulting call, but do it in a proper way. Have a calendar. There are tools, calendly.com. If you are in that space where you need to book, and it's free. This is free for one or two appointments, something there. You have to check that out, okay? So, but if you want all leads to come into, don't direct them to your emails or Google Sheet or Google Forms. You get them into a list capturing system. It's called autoresponder. Okay, the tools are available on my website. You guys can go and check out. But there are autoresponders like Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp. What happens is you can simply set automation emails. As soon as somebody has downloaded my course or my book, I immediately send them a welcome message. And then some nurturing emails over a period of time, and then we can simply broadcast. Even if the list is becoming 5,000, only one time I have to do the broadcast, and personalized email goes, hello Vandana, hello Suman. It will go like that. So this is the era of automation and connecting with the customers instantly. But in India, a lot of people don't even open the emails. For Lokesh, email bhej ke kya karenge wo? So directly take on WhatsApp, no, or Telegram. So you don't even need autoresponder if your email IDs are not any interest to you, right? But if you have email, you can do a lot of things. You can say Rajma recipe, because I saw that, or you know, some desserts with honey, how to cook. This is how you see. Look at how bigger brands operate. I remember when Big Basket had launched, you know why I went to them? Because they were teaching on their website how to store fruits and vegetables, how my coriander will remain fresh for some more time, how the tomatoes will remain fresh for some more time. Because of that, I signed up with Big Basket. But earlier, some 5-6 years before when they launched. Make sense? So, and these tools are like for 1,000 subscribers, it is free. And then $15 or $29 a month, आपका सारा ऑटोमेशन का काम कर रहा है, कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट का काम कर रहा है, आपके तो एम्प्लॉय की भी सैलरी नहीं होगी उतनी. $30 कितना हुआ? 2100 रुपए, right? So these are some of the tools that you must use for keeping in touch with your customers. And if you don't want to invest there, only phone number is enough. Take them on a WhatsApp group, or take them on a Telegram group. वो free है, right? So this is done. Now call to actions, right? So your website, you are important, opening question, very important, headline, it should be the problem your target audience are going through and what benefit they are seeking, what benefit they want. And your authentic presence in the form of your stories, achievements, success stories, reviews, and then lead magnets, so that you are generating the lead because you're giving them something free, and then you're getting their contact details, and then getting in touch with them instantly, and then call to action. So on my website, these are call to actions, right? This is the, okay, this is a landing page. Here the call to action is join now. Okay, but let's go to my website. Because people don't, उनको जैसे YouTube में सब्सक्राइब करो बोलना पड़ता है, कमेंट करो बोलना पड़ता है, वैसे ही वेबसाइट में teach me how to do this. This is a call to action. I just simply not giving the picture. I'm telling, teach me how to do this. This is call to what they should do next. What they should do next. So it's like access online course worth this free. This is called call to action. Okay. And even in the end, I am saying, would you like to learn? Would you like to learn? Explore my free courses. This is call to action, right? So very important to have call to action on your website. Next, navigation. So, you know, basically when somebody has decided to stay on your website, it becomes your responsibility to help them navigate. So how we are doing here, I'm not expecting you to go to my homepage to know more about me, right? The navigation is built on the homepage only. This is also navigation. Go and explore this course free, right? Explore my free courses. Know more about me. Know more about my offerings. Resources. Then all these are my tabs also, but I am making them go there, right? I am making them go there. So I'm also telling people, become my partner. You know, you can become affiliate for my courses and fund your program or earn additional income. This is work in progress. This is something I recently added. Okay, and see the menu is always there. These are my online courses, right? These are free courses. These are paid premium courses. And then I'm saying access your course, but here I'm also telling become my partner, that you go and click here to become affiliate for this course. Call to action. I am making them navigate. I am not leaving up to them कि अपने आप पेज जाके खोलो, बटन डालो, खोलो. और मैंने कहीं भी इसको कॉन्टैक्ट अस फॉर्म बनाया ही नहीं, आपको दिख रहा है, जरूरत ही नहीं है. क्योंकि if I am giving them something, they're on their own, they will come and give their name and contact details to me. Make sense? So this is the navigation you will have to take care. Don't just simply close the website, open, just नीचे आके बंद. उसके बाद कहाँ जाना है तो ऊपर खुद जाके देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या करना है करके. Right? So make sure that the flow, you are helping them navigate your website, your offerings. Make sense? भाई इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है? Okay, how was the session for you? All right. Okay.
Good.
Okay, so these are, see, I'm teaching from a layman's term, somebody who does not feel I'm technically challenged. Now I could have presented these 6 components in very technical language, SEO, SCM, all those things, okay? Email or autoresponders, right? But as an entrepreneur, what you should make sure, this should be there on my website for whoever is working on your website. मेरे को मेन पेज पे बट वीडियो टेस्टिमोनी उसका काम नहीं है, आपको लेके आना है. आपका पेन, आप प्रॉब्लम मार्केट में, वो तो बोलेगा कंटेंट दे दो, और आपने उसको इतना सारा कंटेंट लिख के दिया, वी डू दिस, वी डू दिस, वी डू दिस, वी डू दिस, nobody is interested. So it is like your content, for that you must know what is the problem you are solving in the market, what is the pain behind that problem, what is the how your customers and target audience is benefiting, because they are getting attracted with their pain, but they want to see what's in it for them, how they are going to gain from you. Quality assurance, it's a gain. Timely delivery is a gain. That is what they are getting. Direct from farmers, they feel our social cause. ठीक है, हम farmers को direct support कर रहे हैं. they are not looking at कि ओ आप डायरेक्ट फार्मर्स से ले रहे हैं, आप फार्मर्स को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. वो खुद अपने बारे में सोच रहा है, अच्छा मैं अगर इनसे बाय करूंगा या करूंगी तो मैं फार्मर्स को सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ. Do you understand what is going on in the mind of your customers? And you have to just tap into what's going on in their mind, because they are buying their outcomes, right? All right, so let's see let's take your Q&A now. So whoever has a question, see there is a Q&A box here, or I'm just going to just type me and I will just allow you to speak and you can ask your questions. And it will be great if you can share what is your takeaway from my session today. क्या करेंगे? Who wants to share? Let me get you one. There were some questions also. So let me do one thing. I'm just going to move all of you to panelist. I don't want to do that actually. If whoever is interested, because then I have to keep on. Guys, I am done with today's session. If anyone has a question.
So Vandana ji, shall I ask?
Yes, please go ahead.
So you really brought out very valuable points how the website has to be ideal website, because there are so many things missing there. So many things, it is totally wrong only. It will not capture anything. So the autoresponder and everything, whatever you were telling, it has to be done through our website person, or we can do it our own also.
No, or you okay? That integrate. You can, if your website is dynamic, if you are able to edit your website, you can do it on your own. Okay. But it is a minor thing. But it मैंने पहले मतलब your website guy should not ask you additional money to set that up.
And
okay.
Security also, you said you have to be secured to be an authentic website.
Website person should do it.
Yeah, so for that I have to pay extra, right?
वो आपको, क्योंकि वो उसको नहीं जा रहा है, वो तो डोमेन सर्वर होस्टिंग को जा रहा है.
Yeah, but जो रीसेटिंग करना है वो तो कर ही देंगे ना वो.
ये जो नहीं, ऑटो रिस्पॉन्डर का थोड़ा काम भी होता है, उनको लैंडिंग साइन अप फॉर्म वगैरह बनाना पड़ता है. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नेचर ऑफ हाउ मच वर्क नीड्स टू बी डन, दैट लिंकिंग ऑफ दैट साइन अप फॉर्म टू योर वेबसाइट, बिकॉज दीज आर टू डिफरेंट टूल्स. योर वेबसाइट से इसको इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो वो कोड होता है. दे विल स्पेंड सम टाइम. इफ दे हैव चार्ज्ड यू रीजनेबली फॉर योर वेबसाइट, then they will want some 1-2 घंटे का काम है उनको अगर, तो they will charge more. Otherwise it's up to them, they can accommodate it.
I just wanted to ask, उनको कुछ खरीदना तो नहीं पड़ेगा ना, जैसे सिक्योरिटी के लिए तो खरीदना पड़ेगा उनको समथिंग.
खरीदना पड़ेगा नहीं, गेट रिस्पॉन्डर के लिए आपका अकाउंट होना चाहिए, गेट रिस्पॉन्स के लिए आपका अकाउंट होना चाहिए.
So उसमें भी we have to buy our account.
It is a recurring cost for you every month. That tool you will have to buy. Buy in the sense you have to take a subscription of that tool.
So generally how much it is?
$15 for 1,000 subscribers. Initial some 14-day free. आपको मेरे 30 day में लेके आऊंगी ना वहाँ पे, अभी छोड़ दो.
Okay.
Okay, because this website is not going to give you generate leads. Then why go into
that? I understood.
So there is no point in signing up on the tool and start your trial period gets over and all those things.
Absolutely.
So not now. First you have to get your website the right way, and then revamp your complete website. Then you get on board on the tool. I'll tell you.
Okay.
So don't worry about that. No.
Thank you.
So Sandeep ji is saying, for a fresher, how can I capture credibility for my course? You have to कोई जिनके साथ किसी ना किसी के साथ तो आपने, everybody starts from scratch, right? When you have zero reviews, zero credibility. So for that you can actually, आपके फैमिली में आपने किसी को हेल्प किया है तो उनसे मांग सकते हैं आप. फ्रेंड की डॉटर को हेल्प किया है, राइट? वहां से मांग सकते हो जिसको भी आपने. because if you are getting into this, that means you definitely have some kind of success with that, right? When you planning, See, when you're deciding that I want to be a career coach, there must be something that you have done in the past because of which you think that I can convert it like a business. Yeah, take from your own daughter. What is the problem? Many people start like that. Some 4 or 5 reviews if you get from your family, or if you have helped, or you can help somebody's your friends or somebody in your network, their child. Just give them free services and just tell them, I only want a review that how this session has been for you. So it is an effort that you will have to put. If you expect people to record a video and send later, it does not happen. I'm telling you, I've helped so many people, and I was not taking all these reviews and all, thinking that कोई मुझसे मांगता है रिव्यू 6 महीना 1 साल बाद भी मांगता है, तो अगर मांगा है मैं आधे घंटे में क्लोज करती हूँ. Okay, but I am seeing that people don't do that, so I expect that people will give. But I realize that even after doing so much good work and just to capture the testimony reviews, I had to make an effort from my side, because people very conveniently forget, because everybody is busy in their own life. Their own life matters to them much more than others, right? So it is very important that you have it should be built in your system, that when somebody is coming for career counseling, before they say bye-bye to you, you will make sure that you ask them to give a Google review before they leave, or you ask them to record and say that how this discussion has been for them and how it has held value. अगर आप online कर रहे हैं, Zoom पे कर रहे हैं, तो easy हो जाता है. You can question and how was this session for you? How it has helped you? And when they say, that becomes a review. आप कोई झूठ तो नहीं बोल रहे. If you benefited, wouldn't you share how the session was for you? Right? So everybody starts from zero. Yes, Sharda. Question, do you want to come on audio? Guys, Sharda, I'm allowing you to speak. Anyone who has a question, there are 3 people who have raised their hands. Kamal, do you have a question? Lokesh, do you have a question? Okay, I'm just going to allow you to speak. Huh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Good evening, Sharda. How are you?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you so very much for adding so much values in my life. I have given you reviews, and I'll give you reviews with your beautiful picture, and I have done it with my daughter's account also. And I want to do it from so many accounts for you, really.
Thank you.
And
so
I will
much.
do it. I'll do it today also from 3-4 more different accounts, because you are adding so much values in our life in so many. I don't know why people, they are not generous in giving reviews. I don't understand. And I have a question, ma'am. Like, I am a career counselor, and I'm also want to give some soft skill trainings, like charismatic personality development. Okay, ma'am. So how can I join these 2 courses in my website? Can I do that?
No, come again. One is charismatic personality development and the other one?
Career counseling.
अरे तो अच्छा, आप मेरे साथ 6 आज वो बैच में थे आप 5-day WhatsApp क्लास वाले में?
हाँ, मैं तो आपके साथ थी, हमेशा से थी, उसमें भी थी आपके साथ, शुरू से ही हूँ.
अच्छा. So उसमें we have taken Shivgami का example ना. उसमें she was into career counseling as well as into that grooming, right? So आप क्या बोल रहे हैं, career counseling भी है और personality development है, वो 2 चीज अलग है ही कहाँ? When you do career counseling, you are also working on their personality.
Okay. तो मैं उसमें ऐसे, हाँ, आप बोलिए.
So what happens is, when you are doing, you just say, I am not simply telling that ये university है, यहाँ apply कर लो, ये आपकी strength है, ये आपकी weakness है. I am also empowering them how they can develop a charismatic personality along, so that whatever they want to do along with their strengths and weaknesses, this part is also taken care. It is called finishing school में करवाते हैं ना, finishing school.
अच्छा.
Right? बाकी और भी चीजें polish करके दे रहे हो.
हाँ. ठीक
It's
है.
like, because you can do the same thing for people who have come for career counseling. No, you can say that, okay, I will teach all these things, but the way you are presenting yourself in group discussion, in interviews, that is also equally important. So you can give them as an add-on service and charge additional.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I really pray for your success along with us. We'll grow together. You will grow
Thank you,
more
thank
and we will also grow.
Yeah, I have seen all your comments and thank you so much for taking out time to write elaborate comments. Your every word matters to me. And I know you have been commenting on Facebook, on Google multiple times and all different posts. Thank you so much, Sharda. Because, as you said, what goes around comes around. When you are generous, when you will need reviews and all those things, you will also get because you're not creating a blog.
Ma'am, I want to share one thing. Like in Google reviews, I have got about 30 reviews from my students, ex-students and all about my career counseling. They really appreciate that.
Beautiful. Very nice. Just take some video testimonials also. That will help. Because right
Thank
now
you.
people also look at video testimonials apart from that text. You can just say simply record a video and post on Google review. Because अब जैसे आप लोग जिन लोगों ने मुझे पिक्चर के साथ लगाया है वो अलग ही स्टैंड आउट होते हैं दिखते हैं
आज मैं आपका पिक्चर मैंने आपका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया है.
ओके
आज मैं पोस्ट करूंगी पिक्चर के साथ ही.
ठीक है, डन. Thank you so much, Sharda. Thank you so much. Anyone else has any questions or want to ask anything? I have allowed Lokesh. You can. You're already unmuted. Sharda. Okay, Kamal. I've also unmuted you. Asked to unmute. Yeah, go ahead, Lokesh. Please go ahead.
मैम मैं कुछ थोड़ी मेरी वो हिंदी इंग्लिश थोड़ा कमजोर है, मुझे थोड़ा सा आपकी ज्यादा बातें समझ में नहीं, बट मुझे एक जानकारी चाह रहा था कि ये हम लोगों के जो रिव्यूज हैं वो केवल गूगल में ही होनी चाहिए या वेबसाइट के भीतर में भी होगी?
देखिए, गूगल में लोग ढूंढते हैं ना तो वो आ जाता है. आपके वेबसाइट में भी होना है, दोनों जगह होना है. ओके, क्या हाँ मैं अपना कोई खर्चा तो नहीं हो रहा है उसमें, राइट? तो आई वांट यू टू
गूगल में
वेबसाइट एज वेल एज अ गूगल रिव्यू, बिकॉज गूगल रिव्यू देख के लोग आते हैं. वेबसाइट पे भले पहुंचेंगे नहीं, लेकिन जब वो आपका लोकेशन डालेंगे ना तो अपने आप वो रिव्यू दिखाना.
गूगल में तुम्हारी गूगल में हमारे व्यूज भी अच्छे हैं और रिव्यूज भी अच्छे हैं. पर मंथ 1500 से ऊपर व्यू पहुंच जाते हैं.
हाँ, सॉरी,
पर मंथ 1500 से मतलब 1500 से ऊपर व्यू पहुंचते हैं गूगल में तो पर मंथ. तो
इसलिए वहां पे आप रिव्यूज लो ना कस्टमर के.
हाँ, रिव्यूज बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत पॉजिटिव रिव्यू है.
रिव्यू ले रहे हैं
बहुत शानदार में.
तो आप
मतलब उन्हीं को देख के हमें पावर मिलती है.
तो आप अपने वेबसाइट पे गूगल रिव्यू का लिंक दे सकते हैं. आपके वेबसाइट वाले को बोल सकते हैं कि वहां से रिव्यू उठा के उसका रिव्यूज का वीडियो भी बना सकते हैं.
हमारी रिव्यू से हमारी फार्म विजिट बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है.
देखिए, रिव्यूज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सब रिव्यूज देख के ही आजकल आते हैं लोग.
हाँ, उससे फार्म विजिट्स बहुत ज्यादा होती हैं और वो फार्म विजिट के ही मतलब फार्म विजिट से क्या होता है कि फार्म विजिट कर रहा है आदमी तो कुछ परचेज भी करके ले जाएगा. फार्म विजिट मतलब फार्म और साइट
जब लोग फार्म विजिट पे आते हैं ना तब उनसे एक वीडियो टेस्टिमोनी आप रिकॉर्ड कर लो. आपका हाउ वाज योर, so there is a cause, you are saying farmers and your farm visit, these are the things that will add more value to what you are doing. So जब फार्म विजिट पे लोग आते हैं ना तो उनका वो भी वीडियो बना के अपना वेबसाइट पे डाल सकते हैं. देखिए, द प्रॉब्लम इज बहुत सारे बिजनेस ओनर्स बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं लेकिन वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं. आपने अभी बताया मेरे को कि हम फार्म विजिट पे लेके जाते हैं लेकिन वेबसाइट पे कहाँ बता रहे होगे हम फार्म विजिट पे लेके जाते हैं.
हाँ, ये तो है.
Leads from your farm visit. Want to do a farm visit? We organize farm visits for you. Would you like to experience nature and look at our farms and give the contact details और collect करते जाओ. महीने में एक visit organize कर दो. Sign up here if you would like to have a farm visit.
पर डे फार्म विजिट है और इवन कई फिल्म स्टार भी हमारे फार्म विजिट में पहुंच चुके हैं तो मुंबई से और काफी.
आपके ई-कॉमर्स पे कहाँ दिख रहा है सेलिब्रिटीज की पिक्चर भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. There's so much good thing you are doing, you're not complaining. इसको बोलते हैं टूट योर ओन हॉर्न. अंग्रेजी में, हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? I don't know what is आप
अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू।
हाँ, अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू बनना बहुत जरूरी है। दैट इज अ स्किल ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर। आप जो भी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आप ये बताते होंगे लोगों को, लेकिन आपने वेबसाइट पे नहीं
नहीं,
डाला।
हमने अभी तक किसी को बताया नहीं, क्योंकि वो गूगल में देख के पहुंच जाते हैं। इवन हम लोगों को तो क्योंकि उन्होंने जो पिक्चर बनाई थी तो हम लोग को बहुत ज्यादा मतलब पिक्चर्स हमने देखी नहीं है, तो हमें पता भी नहीं चलता था कि वो उनके मैनेजर्स और काफी लोग बाद में फोन करते हैं तो पता चलता है कि वो आए थे
अच्छा,
जैसे।
तो आपका सिक्योरिटी कोई तो
मे,
होगा जो
मेरी
वो सेलिब्रेट।
नहीं, मेरा बेसिकली क्या है कि हमारा बहुत छोटा सा, मतलब ये इवन समझिए कि हमारी जो मतलब हमारा जो ये सिस्टम शुरू हुआ है ये बहुत छोटे से शुरू हुआ है। ये इवन हम लोग मंडी, मतलब आप समझिए कि बेसिक फार्मर से एक तरीके की ई कॉमर्स से स्टार्ट हो गई है, तो वो बहुत बड़ा ऐसा कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है हमारा, मतलब अभी तक। पर अब
अच्छा,
धीरे धीरे इसको थोड़ा सा मैनेज करेंगे इसको हम लोग।
तो देखिए क्यों, क्योंकि आप बहुत, आप देखिए वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से ही आपका बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है। आप राइट कम्युनिकेशन और मार्केटिंग करेंगे तो और बढ़ेगा ना। बट द क्वेश्चन इज, आर यू रेडी टू हैंडल सो मच बिजनेस?
अब हैंडल करना तो है, पर वो कैसे करना है तो अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
आपको बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट की जरूरत है। आई गिव दैट कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज। इफ यू वांट यू कैन टच बेस विथ मी
मुझे
सेपरेटली।
पता, अब मैं आपको रियल बताऊं तो मुझे अब कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि इसको कैसे आगे को मतलब बढ़ाया जा सकता है, क्योंकि
और
वो
मेरे
बहुत
पास बहुत
मतलब
सारी आइडियाज हैं आपके लिए। आई हैव
और
लॉट ऑफ
बिखर गया है
आइडियाज।
पूरा, बिखर गया है पूरा वो एक तरीके से।
हाँ, कोई कोई बात
क्योंकि
नहीं। अगर
उसमें
आप देखिए क्या,
फार्मर से लेकर डायरेक्ट आया है, तो वो क्या है कि उसमें अभी अब क्या प्रोडक्ट रेंज बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रही है, और मतलब आउट ऑफ स्टॉक बहुत तेज, मतलब बहुत जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो रहे हैं, तो वो सब चीज ना वो हो गया। जैसे अभी आपने एक प्री ऑर्डर वाला बताया, तो मैं काफी समय से सोच रहा था कि इस तरीके का कुछ होना चाहिए, प्री ऑर्डर होनी चाहिए करके। तो सारे कुछ बिखर सा गया है, वो एक समेटना है एक बार की, कैसे एक बार पूरा फिर से एक बार दोबारा फिर से एक लाइनअप हो जाए करके।
तो
वो लाइनअप नहीं हो पा
देखिए
रहा है।
बहुत टाइम क्या होता है कि छोटा बिजनेस ओनर पूरे टाइम अकेले ही काम करते रहता है, रिसोर्सेस कम रहते हैं क्योंकि पैसा बचाना होता है, राइट? आई मीन दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर, बिकॉज आप अकेले मतलब यू हैव अ वेरी हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल टू वर्क। बट अगर
नहीं, मैं
आप,
अकेले ही, मतलब पूरा बिजनेस में अकेले हूँ।
बस यही प्रॉब्लम है ना, इसलिए
क्योंकि
बहुत सारी चीजें
हाँ।
करनी होती है लेकिन नहीं कर पाते हैं, बिकॉज हम ही रोजमर्रा के काम में जुट जाते हैं। आप रूटीन में इतना बिजी हो जाते हो कि ग्रोथ कौन देखेगा।
हम्म।
रोजमर्रा की प्रॉब्लम्स में आप जूझ रहे होते हो तो आगे का, और अगर वो सेम बंदे को बिजनेस के बारे में भी सोचना है, कैसे बढ़ाना है, और रोजमर्रा की प्रॉब्लम्स भी अटेंड करना है, तो वो नहीं होता। बिकॉज उस बिजनेस को ग्रो करने के लिए डिफरेंट माइंडसेट चाहिए, रोजमर्रा का रूटीन को देखने के लिए डिफरेंट माइंडसेट चाहिए। So that is why, जैसे when we were also doing that, because we are two people, my husband and myself. Okay.
ओके।
So he was taking, I'm a growth person. I always look at growth. He was more into, I'm operations and growth. मेरा forte है, futuristic thing. And he was taking care of other things. And as soon as we realized कि हम hire कर सकते हैं लोग को, तो हमने हायर किया। फिर हमने जब रियलाइज किया कि हमारा बिजनेस अब इसके बियॉन्ड नहीं ग्रो करेगा, क्योंकि इसके बियॉन्ड हमें मदद की जरूरत है। अपने आप इतना कर लिया लेकिन वो स्टैग्नेंट होने लगा, तो मतलब अब ग्रो करना है तो हमें कुछ और करना पड़ेगा जो हमें मालूम नहीं है। तो देन वी साइंड अप फॉर बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट्स इन आवर ओन बिजनेस। We though we were number one store for diamond sales in India, still we had a business consultant.
ओके।
Because they will give you some idea which you have not thought. They will give you some strategy which you are not thinking. इवन उसका वैल्यू कितना है, वो तो आपके बिजनेस पे कितना इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है उतना वैल्यू है उसका। एक आइडिया से आप 10 लाख भी कमा सकते हो, 1 करोड़ भी कमा सकते हो,
ओके।
right? So it really, that you have to take that call, that if you are willing to grow and if you are not able to do it yourself, that's a question you should ask कि मैं अपने आप कर सकता हूँ क्या? नहीं। अगर अपने आप कर सकता हूँ तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं कर सकता हूँ तो मुझे मदद की जरूरत है, then find a consultant who can help you grow,
ओके।
right? बिजनेसमैन के जैसा सोचिए ना, वो आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं अपने बिजनेस ग्रोथ में।
अब मैम वो तो ना, अब ये क्या है कि अब सोचना पड़ेगा, मतलब अभी तक तो बिल्कुल भी समझ, अब तो ये बिल्कुल भी समझ से परे हो गया है।
देखिए
समझिए ब्रांड बनने के बाद खत्म होने की स्थिति आ गई। मतलब आज ये समझिए कि प्रोडक्ट खत्म हो रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब हम लोग खत्म हो रहे हैं, समझिए। मतलब अब आउट ऑफ, आप ये समझिए कोई क्लाइंट आ रहा है, उसको कह रहे हैं कि ये भी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हुआ है। हनी ये मान के चलिए हमारे कम से कम 6 महीने, मतलब 6 महीने से आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है, और अभी भी प्री ऑर्डर हमारे पास, जो हम मतलब लोगों ने हमसे कहा कि आप हमारे लिए बुक कर दीजिए, हमारे 5 कुंटल केवल आता है, उसमें से 3 कुंटल बुक हो चुका है।
So yes, we have to understand what deeply is your problem. I think outside the scope of this session, we can have some talk some other time. Lokesh ji, okay. All right. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Anyone has any questions? Kamal ji had raised his hand. I don't know if you're still around. I'm not able to, I'm asking you to unmute, but it's not happening. So I don't know. Sharda, we are all done. So I think if no more questions, then good night. And I will see you next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, please join my Telegram group because it is becoming very difficult for me to manage multiple groups. All details about business satsang will happen only in the Telegram group. I hope you have my Telegram group handy. टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है ना सबके पास? नहीं तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में है आप तो आई विल गिव यू द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. प्लीज जॉइन देयर एंड ऑल डिटेल्स अबाउट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. आई एम स्टिल टू थिंक व्हाट इज द टॉपिक, मे बी व्हाट वीडियोस टू क्रिएट. Okay, I can do that. I will. So that's why I want to know from you, what is it that you want to learn? अगर मुझे पता, I mean, if I know that what is it that you want, many people want to learn, I can do that topic first. So I will let you know what is the topic. Every Tuesday 9 p.m. I welcome you into Business Satsang. These are truths of business that you can apply in your business and grow. Thank you so much for your time, your interest to learn from me, and I will see you next Tuesday. Take care till then. Keep growing, keep evolving. What videos to do? Okay, Grishma. Yes, sure. Okay. All right. Everybody, good night. Take care. Keep growing, keep evolving. Bye for now.